What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the start of the headliner. Going to get the Star headliner. Don't know the official name for it, but I've been calling it Starry Night headliner. About to drop the car off over at the homie Ryan's house. He's gonna need a little more time than he did for the Underglow, so I'm gonna drop the car off there. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. So this video will probably be coming out on Monday. But also, we do still have, as of the uploading of this video, we still have about a day or so left of the actual 10% off discount fitted on our website. So the link will be down in the description below, so definitely if you want to take advantage of that. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over to the homie's house. Alright, so just pulled up and look what we have.
It just makes me feel better.
Right. So he's getting Underglow 2. Look at this setup. It's just crazy. Harness might be the way to go.
Right, everything clean though.
Mm-hmm.
When you get them situated.
Yeah, definitely y'all need to hit him up if you try and get your Underglow, or like I'm getting the Star headliner. Like I said, link to his Instagram will be down below, so you can hit him up on there. Alright, so I'm back at Ryan's, just picking up the car now. Had a little fail moment. So basically the kit that I have, that I ordered, it was the incorrect one. Well, correct kit, but apparently they make different sizes. This one is only 6, see if you see it, well, 6.5 feet, and apparently I need to get one that is 9.8 feet or something like that. So I'm gonna return this one and then get the correct kit, and once that's in, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this video may still come out on time, it just won't have the finished product. In order to not make this a short and wasted video, what I'm doing is I'm actually hosting a giveaway for the homies in the Fitted Squad. This isn't everybody encompassing. This is the kind of local homies that we've hung out and chilled and stuff. So it's going to be a giveaway for a Underglow kit and install by the homie Ryan as well. A lot of the homies already have Underglow. We were trying to figure out if we were going to still include them or not, but a few of them said that they were either having issues with their kit or wasn't installed correctly, so they still want to be included. So I believe we are going to still include them. But right now I'm just still getting their names together, and once I have that, then I'll kind of do that drawing. But if you're not part of that, the internal circle Fitted Squad, don't worry. Plan to do one for just my subscribers in general. As long as you're in the US, maybe Canada. I'm gonna see what we can do about shipping to Canada if we need to, but we're gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for that. We won't do the install for that for everybody, but yeah, it's going to be the same kit that I have that Ryan has, and I'll show some more what it looks like at night. But if you're interested in being entered in that, kind of leave a comment down below, let me know, because if we don't really have people who really want that kit or anything, then I won't even worry about it. But yeah, let me know. But I'm about to go drop this off for the return, and I'll pick up once we kind of get more of the names together. Oh yeah, also shout out to the homie Ryan. I forgot to mention, he switched my wheels. They are directional set, and I don't know when it happened, but the two in the front were switched, and so the direction was off, and I've been meaning to get it switched ever since, and I just kept forgetting, and he just hooked it up while he had the car, so I definitely appreciate that. So I definitely need to get some pictures with the homie Luis, so we can get some shots, maybe end up on the Vertini website together. Probably will definitely be, I mean, my car's already on there. I'm trying to get his car on there as well. They've definitely been reposting his stuff a lot, so hopefully we can get that, because it's always great when the homies shine too. Alright, so continuing from the last couple clips. Alright, just to be clear, wasn't able to get the headliner done yet. I ordered the wrong size kit. I ordered a 300 piece shorter kit. I think it was like 6 or 5 feet. I needed the 9 feet 8 inches one, so returned it. I actually have the other one. It's actually out for delivery right now, but it's not here quite yet. So that's going to be another video because I still got to drop the car off and everything. But in order to keep the video rolling, like I said, I'm doing something different. I'm going to do a giveaway for a full LED kit for the homies in the Fitted Squad who's local. I got the names already. Waiting for a few more just to make sure that I got everybody in the group chat we have, and then I'll do the drawing a little bit later. And then, yeah, I'm still trying to think if I'm gonna hit them up before or just make them watch the video. I'm probably gonna make them watch the video a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, so the next clip should be me doing the random name generator. So, yeah. Alright, so I got all of the names together, as you can see here. They are the Fitted Squad homies. So I'm about to do the random number generator to choose one to see who was going to win that kit. I'll throw some clips in of the kit, but we're going to be doing a giveaway on this Friday for somebody to win their own kit who's a subscriber. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and do the generator. Alright, so it is number 3, and that is the homie Franz. Franz wins. So I'm going to be hitting him up, and we'll go ahead and get him hooked up with the Underglow. Ryan will go ahead and install that. We'll do a video for that as well. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. But like I said, we're going to be doing a giveaway for anybody subscribed to the channel. That's going to be on Friday. If you're interested, definitely stay tuned. But I'll definitely send out another notification via social media, as well as, of course, the video. So, yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the website. We have one more day for that 10% off using the code FITTED. So, don't want to miss out on that. So, definitely go ahead and do that as well. But, yeah, like I said, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, have a good one. Peace.